Hello and welcome back to Walk With Me, where I walk with you. This is episode 3, Found. Let's Oge. So episode 2 was a something different, let's say. If you're following along, during yesterday's walk, I lost my drone. And the scrubland was just way too dense for me to find it. I couldn't read the coordinates on my phone, so I just gave up. Went home, licked my wounds, got the coordinates. Now today, during this walk, I'm gonna try and find this thing. I really hope I can find it. You know what I'm saying? It's worth a little bit of money. So I'm doing this walk at a different time today. It's early in the morning. It's like about 9:30 a.m. It's quite brisk, let me tell you that. Thank God it didn't rain overnight, so hopefully it's safe. But it's quite brisk, let me tell you that. I already said that, didn't I? Repeater pan. You get that at this hour of the morning. But we're making good pace. I'm going to try and do 4 kilometers today. Do you think I can do it? Leave a comment down below. So today's music that's being played is by my good friend Brad Example. Why did I choose Brad Example today? Well, not only does he write great music, and is he a dear friend to me, but man, this dude inspires me. The struggles that Brad Example goes through, you wouldn't believe. They're intense. He's a lot stronger than me. But he inspires me every day to keep fighting, because he does. I find it's really appropriate for this episode, but I'm not giving up. I'm gonna go out here, keep walking today, do my best to find this drone, because Brad wouldn't give up. He pushes through, and he's doing a gig tonight as well with his old band, the Surfers, which is awesome. You know, he's just very inspiring, and enjoy the music.
And he loves until his heart broke. And he cried sometimes when the little birds sang their lonely love song. Same old story. We're getting old.
So this is my 3rd day walking, and this bike has been here for 3 days. Hope is a really valuable thing. It's hard to hold on to, it's slippery. But it's worthwhile holding on as tight as you can. Because if we don't have hope, what do we have? And you know, it's not always easy holding on to hope. I mean, we're constantly fed negativity and hopelessness. Yeah? The news cycle, constantly keeping us in fear and scared, and somebody's out to get us. You know, most of the time it's us. We're the ones out to get ourselves by allowing this shit to creep in and distort our hope.
You had a bird once. Every day's bird sings a sweet song.
Nothing's in absolutes. Everything's grey. People claim to be good and evil, and black and white, night and day. But we are the greys.
heart broke.
We just haven't worked it out yet. Once we get to that place where we actually realize we're the happy medium, all this black and white, good and bad, becomes powerless like Freddy Krueger. You know what I'm saying?
She stares out the window. Down the road from me.
So let me tell you where I'm starting to feel this walking thing. In the back of my shins. Today, ouch. My breathing seems to be a lot better. It's still panting, but I'm not gasping. I'm trying to control my breathing a little bit more. Be a bit more focused. But yeah, I'm wearing different shoes today, so I'm wearing Doc Martens. Probably not a good walking shoe, but we're heading into this crazy scrubland, so I'll be honest, I love snakes, but I don't want one biting me. You know what I'm saying? So there's actually a clearing up ahead, which I believe is my way into this dense shrub. From looking at Google Maps and coming up to it, just over there. And that's how I'm going to try and approach this. So we're going to be stopping the filming. Let's see if I can find this sucker. Wish me luck.
And he loves until his heart broke. And he cried sometimes when the little
So I want to show you where I've had to go to find my drone. Following the coordinates. Can you see the kind of shrubbery in here? This is a swamp. This is a swamp. This is all chest height. And this is where it was, right in here. So after about 1.5 kilometers, I got to the point, packed everything away, and started the journey into the shrubs to find the drone. It took about 40 minutes, but here it is. Never give up, my friends. Never give up. Lost and found. Let's continue on with the journey.
Same old story. He's getting old and lives alone in a brick house. Down the road from me and never goes out. Waiting by a phone
Well,
that never rings.
we're back walking again. The timer's back on. We don't know if we're going to do the whole 4 kilometers, as I said today, but I think you'll forgive me, because I spent a lot of time in that shrubbery and I fell over. I've hurt my knee as well. I went down a big one. Russ, I wasn't filming it. Anyway, one drone found, $700 saved. Never give up. Push forward. Achieve your goals. Do what makes you happy. Let's get this thing in the bud and get the fuck home. So the interesting thing was, I tried to use the GPS and the coordinates, but because I was in deep scrubland, it kept losing my position. So every time I thought I was close, I wasn't. How I ended up finding it was taking a screenshot of the area that I thought it was in, and then matching that photo with a top-down photo from Google Maps. That led me to the tree that it was at. It took me a long time to work it out, trust me, but I was never going to give up, because I've been in that place before, giving up, losing all hope. It's a really shit place to be. And you know, Nobody likes having to fight or push really hard to get where they go and come up across obstacles. But the reward, it's there. Mistakes make you better. You know what I'm saying? Do what makes you happy.
And he loves until his heart broke. And he cried sometimes when the little birds sang their lonely love song.
So I'm not going to lie. Today, while I was watching the premiere with you all for episode 2, I was being hopeful, trying to be positive. Also too, in the daily show, just trying to keep optimistic. But I think because I'd already resigned to losing it, if I couldn't find it, it is what it is. I'd done everything I could. But that's the thing, isn't it? As Yoda said, do or do not. There is no try. You have to give it everything. There were a couple of times I was out there in that thick scrub going, there's no hope. I kept sinking into mud. I mean, that was a swamp in there. That was a full-on swamp. And just when I was about to give up, I looked over and there it was, just sitting on top of the reeds. It wasn't even buried in anything. Good Lord. And it's working perfectly. The battery was dead. Blades are fine. It's all good. And we're completing another day of walking. The third day. And it's early. I've still got the whole day ahead of me. So when I get back, I think I'll jump on Metalhead Hippie Stream and sing a few songs for Wendy. Very sad, her passing away. I donated some money before I left, but I really wanted to play some songs for her. So I think I'm going to be able to do that. Fingers crossed, he's still going when I get home. Anyway, we are at 2.4 kilometers with a heart rate of 45 BPM. We're almost there. We're going to finish it off at 3 today. And that'll be enough. That's an achievement. It's huge.
And the tears roll down a face that only tears have ever known. And all this time reflecting back a past could have fallen from no man's nameless eyes.
We're coming to the end of today's walk. Lesson for today. Don't think in absolutes. Yeah? Not everything's black and white. Mostly it's grey. What is lost can be found. Let the music of Brad example inspire you just like he inspires me every day. Do what makes you happy, man. Well, here we are at the bridge. It's the end of the line. Almost 3 kilometers today. Found my drone. Let's call off. Thanks for walking with me today. It's been a pleasure walking with you. Do the things that make you happy. Mistakes make you better. We'll all rise together. Boom.
And he cried sometimes when the little birds sang their lonely love song. Same old story. We're getting old and live alone in these brick homes. The curtains closing, life goes on to the sound of a lonely bird's love song.